Hey everyone, today we are looking at the HP EliteBook 840G7, a premium business laptop that's light with 1.3 kilogram. They are top tier business laptops tested to military standards for extra durability, meaning tough hinges, strong ports, and a high quality keyboard, perfect for frequent typers. 2 USB-A 3.1 ports here, a 3.5mm audio jack, a keylogg connection. On the other side you have the power connector, one HDMI port, one micro SD card slot, and 2 USB-C Thunderbolt ports, meaning it supports USB-C docking stations. With the official HP G5 dock, what you can see here, you can power it on without opening the lid. Great for desktop setups like this. HP provides also an all-in-one support tool for driver and BIOS updates, available on the website, if not pre-installed. One big advantage, it's easy to open, which is great if you ever need to upgrade or maintain it. Only a few screws here. You can add more RAM for better performance or make an SSD swap for more storage. Also, the battery is internal but replaceable. It's not glued in. If you ever open the laptop for an upgrade, here are 2 quick pro tips for quiet and cool operation. If it gets noisy, replacing the thermal paste improves cooling, reduces fan noises, and prevents performance drops from overheating. Or you're going for the SSD cooling hack. Adding a thin thermal pad helps the metal cover act as a heatsink, keeping the SSD cooler and improving the lifespan. The HP EliteBook is built for professionals. You have premium materials, easy upgrades, and if you want a durable business-ready laptop, this is a solid choice.